Hello, everyone.
Murphy's at work. Now that we have this, we'll never have a hurricane.
That's right. No more hurricanes.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful pergola structure we just done, and we kind of mimicked it off some previous work. Notice how you come in, got the beautiful cafe lights. They're on cables, not just tacked up there with the little loops that they come with. They actually got cables attached to them. Can't wait to come back and see it at night. Beautiful ceiling fans. This is cypress lumber. This is not the lumber you buy from Home Depot or Lowe's or your local lumber yard. This is Florida cypress, 8x8 post, 2x14s, and that on top is special T111 4-inch groove, and we stain that and turn it upside down to give it this beautiful look. So this is our job. Here's our customer. What do you think?
Love it.
5 star?
5 stars.
5 stars. 10 star. 10 star. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.